Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be quickly going over Gorilla Tag map guide. So I'm not going to go over what you need because I'm just making this quick tutorial assuming that you're just wanting to know what all this stuff does. So I'm going to quickly go over all the stuff that you need. So when you first open the project, what you're going to do is create an empty, and then you're going to name it if you want to, so just map or something. Then you're going to add a description to it, a map descriptor. Name it map name, map author, description. Then you can spawn points right here. Custom skybox, you can select a cube map there. Gravity speed, you can change this to whatever you want. This is default right here. And then export lighting, directional lighting right there. Then you'll want to put your map in. All your parts, get it how you want it to be. And I'm going to go over the different things you can do. So firstly, go to MapPrefabs, and you'll have these different objects. You'll have an object trigger, which I'm not going to be going over. You can read about it in the GitHub, or ask around in the map creations if you need help with that. Spawn points, just put these anywhere, as many as you want. I don't know if there's a limit, but I recommend having at least 2 or 3. Then you have tag zones, like it says. You cross through this zone, you'll be tagged. You can select which parts you want, whether people will be tagged or not. Then you'll have the teleporter, which does the same thing as a teleporter zone, but it just has this cool little red teleporter thing with it. Then you have the treehouse teleporter, and you can put that wherever you want. When you stand on that, it teleports you back to the treehouse. Then you have a teleporter point, which goes hand in hand with the teleporter. What these two objects do is, this first one here, when you touch it, it'll teleport you to this point. So how you want to set that up is you go find your point on the hierarchy, then find your teleporter, drag your point over onto the teleporter script, and drag it onto teleport points. So now when you pass through this, it will teleport you to this. So one thing you can do is you can put this down here. Like I could put this all the way down here, set this to like 100 by 100 by 100 or something. I put that on the position, but you get the idea. So if I was to do that, 100 on position like that, without the Y, say I jumped off the map and I hit this here, it would teleport me to that point. You can set tag on teleport or not. You can set the delay. So you'll just find your teleport point, go to teleport zone, drag your point onto teleport point. I'm not sure if you can have more than one. That's something you could ask in the Discord. Then you have unclimbable surfaces. What you do with this is, like this, you could not climb this, right? So you can find any object and you can add an unclimbable, it should be like, yeah, surface climb settings right here. So you'll add surface climb settings, and if we look right here, the unclimbable is 0.03. So you can change that, or you can make it unclimbable like that. Actually, I don't know what the slip percentage does, exactly what to put it at, but check unclimbable, and that makes it so you can't climb at all. Lastly, or actually not lastly, but we have a couple of things left. You'll want to uh, add colliders. So you have box colliders. Uh, then you have mesh collider, and this just makes it so you can walk around on your map without falling right through it. Then we have skyboxes. You can create a skybox. Let's see here. Create a material, and then you'll turn that into a skybox cube map, and then you can add like the HDR, and then if you go back to your map settings, you can select the one you want, like the one you just created, or you could use fake skybox. Didn't mean to open that. You can use a fake skybox, make it bigger, and then add like your texture on it. That also works. Another thing you can do is add like these giant like cone things from this map that I made here. This map I imported from Mario Kart. Let's see here. Lastly, you want to make sure you put everything in here. Then before you can export it, you'll need to make a camera. There's a way you can position it using your camera, but I forgot there's a keybind for it. So just get it in the position that you want it to be in. So I'll just do this here. You can rotate it. It's kind of a pain in the butt depending on how you're doing it. So get this in view. If you go to game, this is the camera's view here. Then what you'll do is rename the camera to thumbnail camera, like that. Put that in your map, and then you can click export map and then save it as whatever file type you want. And then you can put that in your gorillatag directory and play the map, and then get some people from your friends list or get some people from the gorillatag modding to playtest your map, and then you can go back and edit anything you need to. That's about all for the basics. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If I can't answer anything, maybe somebody else in the comments can help you. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.